Here we go. So this is a Concept2 Rower, one of the best aerobic exercises. The reason it's so good is it works all four quadrants of the body systematically. That is your arms and your legs. So it really elevates the heart rate, it gets the cardio, also burns calories. A couple of the functions of this particular rower here is that when you get on the rower, it's advisable to astride and to walk down the monorail before you sit on the seat to eliminate any tripping hazards, which is what our client's going to do right here. And then from here, you want to manipulate the straps to be about half the size of your foot length. So our client is an 11, so we're going to have it either a 6 or we will have it at a 5. So in this case here, we're going to just lengthen that out to about a 5, like so. You then have this that simulates drag or water resistance. We normally have this for about 3 or 4 at this particular stage, and then you have your console here that tells you all the different units and your display panel. In terms of the actual technique, that's divided into 4 distinct phases: the catch, drive, the release, and the recover. So we're going to get our client to buckle into the foot straps. Make sure you're secure. And the other one for me, please. And then we're going to have from here, ankles, knees, and hips in a straight alignment. Make sure we're engaging the intrinsic core muscles. Both hands over, so reach forward for me. And we're going to hold that position there. This is what is called the catch position. It's the beginning. From there, we're now going to drive, which is like you do in a deadlift, drive, and as you drive, you're going to pull that back to you here. This is the release with the arms, and this is the recover where you follow through. So catch, drive, release, recover. And let's see how you go. So let's get the fluidity of the movement going. Catch, drive, release, recover. And again, follow through a little bit faster as you follow through. Catch, drive, release, recover. You'll pull one more time. You breathe out. You breathe in. Now there are variations of this, health and fitness. And then you have the Olympic standard, which is where you tend to increase your stride length by leaning back more and slowly forward. So you cover more distance in each stride length. So the 2 variations, and you can bring it under your chest. You don't always have to bring it to your chin, but it does increase the distance that you cover, okay? In addition to that, from a teaching standpoint, ankles, knees, and hips in a straight alignment. Try to ensure that you have controlled extension of the knees so the knees doesn't bounce. A telltale sign of a good rowing action is how, indeed, the chain recoils smoothly. So it shouldn't be any rippling effect. You shouldn't hear it hitting. It is just being recoiled, ready to reload for the next pull. Okay? And relax there. Nice job. How's that?